So this hairstyle is a very full, flowing hairstyle over the shoulder. Now to do this, I'm just going to bring all the hair back. I'm going to twist it a little bit like this, place it into a ponytail on the asymmetric, and then I'm going to pull at the twist just to create that very soft diffusion around the front. Now I'm going to take two Patrick Cameron crown lifts. I'll match up the crown lifts. So I've got two blonde ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these together. So I put them back to back like that. I can clip them together, or indeed I can use a hair grip like this just to join them up. Now once I've got that, place that right at the base of the ponytail. So I sort of place it right there so it sits beautifully down the side. Now what I do is I take part of the ponytail away and I start to cover the hair pad. Now, this is the secret. Always start from the bottom of the hair pad and then work your way up to the top. And there we go. There's our amazing cascading curls using two Patrick Cameron crown lifts.